श्री गुरु Never looks at me, so no chance.
Just before you start, मानता है मंदिर का मानता है तो जो सब जगह दिल्ली पर
नमस्ते। मुझे बात करवा अनंत श्री संकली अनंत स्नेहरश्मि हमारे गीता मन का सौभाग्य है कि हमारे प्रांगण में इस पवित्र गीतावन मंदिर में परमानंद गोस्वामी वाला का शुभागमन हुआ। हम सब आभारी हैं। आपको थोड़े थोड़े अंदर ज्ञान प्राप्त मिलता ही रहता है। आप सब जानते हैं यहाँ हरि कीर्तन भी हुआ, हरे कृष्णा भी कीर्तन होता है और भगवान का स्मरण, श्रद्धा, प्रवचन आदि आध्यात्मिक धर्म कार्य भी होता ही रहता है। तो आप सब शांति सुनिए और भगवान कृष्णामृत का पान कीजिए। धन्यवाद। बोलो सत्य सनातन धर्म की जय। How long will we get?
Till 12, but there's an Aarti at 11 for about 5 minutes. Radha Krishna Aarti. Yeah, karenge.
And then after the temple closes at
Half 12, between half 12 and 1, yeah. I was told between 12:30 and 1 when they start sort of closing, yeah.
I was told 1
Okay, well, yeah, 1, let's just say 1, that should be fine.
As long as we're out by 1,
Yeah.
you could speak
Okay.
12:15. 12:15.
It says Ocean of Devotion.
अब Ali Mohel Ravi Vrindavan Nikko.
Ale Mohi Lal. Krishna Kripa.
Yeah.
आरती 11 बजे।
9 minutes.
आके की बात ही करो फिर after.
Okay.
Yeah, you can carry on for 10. Only 9 minutes. Hare Krishna.
10 minutes.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare
Thank you.
Good, thank you. You're right? Yeah. But we probably might watch it too. Yeah. Today. Thank you.
All right, will they start now?
Start now. It should start. You're saying should start now?
Yeah.
Yade Prabhu, you play harmonium.
Back to square one. Yeah.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, Rama Rama,
Okay.
I don't know the actual pronoun for Gurudev, so I'm just going to say Jai Gurudev. I'm really humbled to be in the association of all the devotees and Vaishnavas. I'm still getting to learn the routine and the rituals that we do. The last couple of days with Gurudev and yourselves have been absolutely amazing. I'm really humbled to be here and very touched. And I've been excited throughout the night just thinking about this morning, I need to do this, I need to get up at this time, I need to do that. And I think it's prepared me for the rest of my journey, hopefully for the rest of my life, to get into that routine where I'm constantly thinking about Krishna, thinking about Gurudev. And I want to do this. This is sort of an awakening. I'm telling my friends, I'm telling my family just how excited I am. I can't stop smiling, as you can probably see. Seeing Gurudev has really touched my heart, and again, being in the association of all of you, thank you so much. It's quite emotional as well this time of year for myself and for my family for different reasons, but this has made all the difference. And seeing Gurudev and just this whole journey has been amazing. So thank you all, and thank you for
Lotus feet of my spiritual master, Srila Bhaktivedanta Goswami Maharaj Ji. And ever since Gurudev come into my life, as you know, who all have had that association, your life is never the same again, and it's definitely changed for the better. Gurudev just carries us all, and everything just seems to get done without us even thinking about it. So I just know there's this power, and it comes from our Srila Gurudev. So all I can say is, thank you so much, Gurudev. We love you.
Please speak. Krishna Kripa.
Gurave Gurchandaya Radhikaya Tadaya Krishnaya Krishna Bhaktaya Tadbhaktaya Namo Namaha Om Jnanatimirandasya Gyananjana Shalakaya Chakshurmilitam Jena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Namo Vishnupadaya Gauraprasthaya Bhutale Srimate Bhaktivedanta Vanaiti Namine Namo Vishnupadaya Radhikaya Priyatmane Krishna Srimad Bhaktivedanta Narayana Swamiti Namine Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaura Bhaktavinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Kankaroti Vachalam Pangulam Gayate Girim Yat-kripatamaham Vande Shri Guru Dinatarinam. So I'm very happy to be here in the presence of my dear most Gurudev. And even though I don't feel I'm very qualified to be here, it is said that if we try to follow the instruction of the sadhus, then some mercy may come to us. So I'm endeavoring to speak something and trying to please my Gurudev. These past days, Gurudev have been speaking a lot about sadhu sangha. And the other day he quoted this beautiful verse, Bhava pavargo brahmato yada bhave janasitarhi achuta sat samagamo satsangamo yahi tadaiva sargato parambrishitahi jayate rati, which is, it is from Srimad Bhagavatam, and it is saying that when the time of the jiva, it's the time for the jiva to come out of the samsara, the cycle of repeated birth and death, then he gets in contact with the sadhu. And by the mercy of the sadhu, then he can be firmly attached to the lotus feet of Sri Krishna. So we are all very blessed to be here in the association of such a sadhu that can, attach us to the lotus feet of Krishna. And So what really is sadhu sangha? Gurudev was speaking that just being close to the sadhu is not really sadhu sangha. He said, no, mosquitoes and bugs, they're very close to the sadhu, but they're not really having sadhu sangha. So what really is sadhu sangha? Then he said that following the instructions of the sadhu and listening Harikatha, listen to him speak about the glories of Krishna, this is sadhu sangha. And there is a verse which says, Krishna Bhakti Janma Mul Hoi Sadhu Sangha. So in the association of sadhus, he can give Bhakti. Janma Mul means the birth of, the root of Bhakti in your heart is the association with sadhus. So by being close to him, by listening to his Harikatha and trying to follow his instructions, then Bhakti can manifest in our heart. And then the end of the verse says, Krishna prema janme tenho punya mukhya anga. Even after you attain perfection, sadhu sangha is the most essential principle. So today, I think we can pray all that we can receive one drop of this real sadhu sangha and listen to the Harikatha of our Gurudev, then everybody's life is successful.
Ram.
That everything comes from the association with sadhu. I'm very thankful for Maharaj that he keeps coming every year to enliven us. I took it for granted for many years that it was very easy. Gurudev was very merciful that he kept me close in his association year after year. And also Bam Maharaj is very merciful and tolerant. Even after 1 year in Germany, I was falling asleep at the wheel driving him and nearly had an accident and killed him. He's still so much tolerant and giving me causeless mercy. Just beg that he keeps coming year after year and inspiring us to follow Bhakti and Hari Bhajan and to go to this day.
तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमस्ते। तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसीदेव्यै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्णभक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ताभिना अपराधलक्ष्यै क्षिप्ताश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्ना वन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं। वंशी विभूषितकरान्नवनीरदावा पीताम्बरारुणबिम्बफलदृष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखादरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परमन्तं किमभिहं जाने। न विजाजेरज्जं न जगन्माणिक्यं न विवं न जाजगम्मं सर्वजनकम्मं वरवधूमे सदा काले काले भूमितपुत्रफलपतिगीतचरितो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयनपतगामी भवतु जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयनपतगामी। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि श्री गौरभक्तवृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। First of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances at the lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma. Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Sapasya Sri Madhubhakti Vedanta Srivaman Goswami Maharaj एवं Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satmadhubhakti Vedanta Srivaman Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam. Lotus feet of Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad Ashtutara Satmadhubhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Gauranga Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakha Goswami Bhakti Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavas and presented all of my respectful guests. I am very happy to come in this Gita Bhavan temple. Just I want to speak few words. Gita means Giyate Tayate Gita. Giyate, if you sing or recite, Jatra Gita Vicharasya, पठनम पठनम तथा मदते श्री कृष्ण भगवान श्री राधा गीता महात्मा ग्लोरीज ऑफ गीता जत्र गीता विचारस्य पठनम पठनम तथा where one who glorifies Srimad Bhagavad Gita, reading or reciting. The Janma Mool is Sadhu Sangha. The root cause of Krishna Bhakti, that is called the association of Sadhu. But how we get the association of Sadhu? Sadhu Sangha. Bhaktistu Bhagavata Sangana Priyate Satsang Prapate Pumvi Sukriti Purva Sanchit. When Bhakti Subodaya quoted this verse, this Sanskrit verse, Bhaktistu Bhagavata Sangana Priyate. With the association of pure devotee of Lord, then Bhakti Devi will manifest in our heart. Is it true? But when our Sukriti, that is the spiritual pious activities will accumulate and mature, then we will get the association with Sadhu. This is very important. That means Sukriti, spiritual pious activity is very important in our spiritual life. Okay. This Sukriti also three kinds: Karmanukhi Sukriti with the association of Kormi. Then one kind of Sukriti with spiritual pious activity will come, and that time tendency will come how to attain heaven, Sargaloka Prapti, how to attain the abode of heaven. There is Jnanamukhi Sukriti with the association of the Jnanis, those who are studying Vedas and acquire the knowledge. Then automatic tendency will come how to march in Brahma. Then third, Bhaktamukhi Sukriti with the association of pure devotee of Lord. Then that Sukriti is pious active. Spiritual pious activity will manifest. That is called the Bhakti Unmukhi Sukriti. With this Bhakti Unmukhi Sukriti, then automatically your desire will come how to attain Suddha Bhakti and how to attain to Lord Bhagavad Gita. So Bhagavad Gita, Krishna says to Arjuna, I attain the Bhakti. Without Bhakti, no one can realize to me. Bhakti reva nati, bhakti reva darsati, bhakti vasa purusha. Bhakti reva nati, bhakti brings to me. Bhakti reva nati, bhakti reva darsati. If you have bhakti, devotion service to Lord, then you can do direct expression to Lord. But this Sukriti is very important. This is called the foundation of our spiritual life. This Sukriti also again two types. What is called? That is called Gyata Sukriti, another is called Agyata Sukriti. Sometimes knowingly you also perform pious activities, spiritual pious activities. That is called Gyata Sukriti. Offering water, tulasi. This is also in the beginning, Sukriti. Circumambulate tulasi parikrama. Paying your obeisances, pranam to Lord or the devotee of Lord, create the Sukriti. Unknowingly also if you do anything for Krishna and the devotee of Lord, also first create the Sukriti. There was one Brahmana. He worshipped his Thakurji. Then he left the ghee lamp inside the temple. Then the ghee was about to extinguish. In the meantime, one rat, mouse came. Mouse was thinking maybe this is some food. So mouse just caught that the ghee was, then flame coming up. And then that mouse face completely burned with the fire. And he is rolling in front of the Thakurji with the ghee lamp. Then Thakurji thinking, is doing my Arati, Paravindavan, Bihari Lal. Our conception, Lord's conception, different. You are thinking one thing, or Lord thinks another. So, when that the mouse left his body, the soul of the mouse entered in the body of one princess. And that the princess, baby, from her birth, Janman, from her birth, she is spontaneous offering ghee lamps to Thakurji. No one talked to her after offering ghee lamps. Because this is called the Sukriti, spiritual pious activity. And in this way, after a few years, then she got the association of sadhu. And with the association of sadhu, then Bhakti Devi manifested in her heart. Then she attained to Guru Vrindavan. Guru Vrindavan Bihari Lal ki Jai Jai Shri Ram. One sadhu, he went to begging some alms from the house. So that sadhu came one lady's house. But she was completely atheist. In her life, she did not give one penny for donation to anyone. If any sadhu would come, then she will become very angry. So one day that sadhu came in her house, just knocked the door, then she became very angry. Hey, I have come. She became very angry. Then she took one stone. That lady, she took one stone and threw to the sadhu. Sadhu tried to beat him. But sadhu little bit scared. When she closed her door, then sadhu took the stone and brought in his ashram. And sadhu is thinking today, and I did not get any donation, but this is a good donation. What is donation? Stone. And that stone he used for Thakur Seva. For the Thakur Seva. You know? Sometimes grinding some masala. Very nice, beautiful stone. In that stone, that sadhu, he used for kitchen. In this way, few years passed, that lady, she left the body. She died. Or as I am saying, our scriptures explain, when you die, you have to come to the place of where? Jam Maharaj, place of Jamal. That time Jam Maharaj, will be decide your next birth. That means Jam Maharaj will decide, and according your pious activities and sinful. Because what you are doing, everything you also record and taking picture in there. And writing all your actually what you are doing. That is for this regard. His name is called Chitragupta. What is his name? Chitragupta, the clerk of Jam Maharaj. And he is writing your things. And so taking your picture. CCTV. There are the CCTV there. And all is going in there. You cannot deny. And when you will go to the place of Jamma Maharaj, the presiding lady of death, and that time you can see, everyone look and showing to you, look, you did this karma, this good, bad, everything. And then Jamma Maharaj will be decided. Where you will go? You go heaven or you will go hell. So now coming this way, when that the lady, she left her body, then Jamadutas, the messenger of Jam Maharaj, brought her in that the place, Jamaloka. And Jam Maharaj asked his clerk Chitragupta, tell to me her life history. That means in her life, how much she did pious activities and how much papa, sinful activities. Then Chitragupta told Jam Maharaj, listen, this lady, she did not perform any pious activities. Whole life she committed sinful activities. So she should go hell. Unlimited time she has to go hell. Unlimited time. Because in her life she did not perform any pious activities. She did not go temple. She did not pay her obeisances to Guru Vaishnava. She did not pay to pranam to Thakurji, nothing. So for this regard, she had to go hell. Then Jam Maharaj's heart melted. Jam Maharaj asked again Chitragupta, again, see, in her life she did any pious activities or not. Then Chitragupta wrote something in his corner of the page. The one sadhu came. And she tried to kill the sadhu with the stone, they throw the stone. But that stone sadhu used for Thakur Seva. Look. Then Jam Maharaj told, okay, this is her donation. She gave what donation? Stone. Okay, this is also something is better than nothing. Something is better than nothing. So Jam Maharaj told, okay, she can go only 24 minutes for heaven for this punya karma. Or unlimited time she had to go hell. Then Jam Maharaj asked to her, what do you prefer? First you want to go Jamalo, heaven, or you go to hell? And she was very clever. She was thinking, unlimited time, I will go hell. But only 24 minutes, I will go heaven. So first I will see how is heaven, how is going on there. Then she told, okay, first I go heaven. Then Jam Maharaj told his associate Jamadutas, okay, bring her. Then Jamadutas brought her in front of the door of heaven. And Jamaduta told to her, hey, you go inside the heaven, 24 minutes. How many? Not more. We are waiting here. Then we turn back. Then Jamadutas, they were staying outside of the door of heaven. Then she entered in the heavenly place. Then she became this prize of beautiful heaven. Nandan Karan, very nice, beautiful forest. Our scriptures also explain. In the heaven, there is one forest, name is called Nandan Karan. Very nice, beautiful forest. Many trees, many birds, flowers blossom, sweet fragrance coming. There are bumblebees, honeybees, they are also humming. Birds are chirping. Heart completely overjoyed. Then she was running here and there, coming, and entered in the deep heaven. Then she came one place, very nice, beautiful one temple. That is called Vishnu temple. In the heaven also there is one temple that is called Vishnu temple. But in the temple no one going, because everybody completely absorbed to enjoy sense gratification. Running here and there, no one going in the temple. Understand? Sometimes I ask, why you are not coming? We are coming here to enjoy sense gratification. Why you will go to temple Harikatha? They died. Some people also say. General people, sometimes you ask, why not come in temple? But we have no time to go to temple. 5 days working, then one day going to the market, then another day have to take rest. And if we will go to temple, so when you take rest? We have no time to take rest. So for this regard, I am not going temple. Monday to Friday, hard work. Then Saturday, marketing. Or Sunday, taking rest. Or maybe going some parks, wife and some children saying, Papa, bring this. So we have no time to go. So in the same way, heavenly planet, everybody is completely absorbed to enjoy the sense gratification. They have no time to go. But in the Vishnu temple, there is one sadhu is reading Srimad Bhagavatam. 24 hours Bhagavad Katha is going on there. How many hours? 24 hours. Bhagavad Katha is going on there. But no audience, nobody there. So she came and she sat in front of the sadhu. And that time sadhu, he was reading one sloka of Srimad Bhagavatam. The purport about this sloka, if anyone listen to Bhagavad Katha and sit in front of sadhu, then Jamaduta will not come. Then she thinks, oh, this is a good place. So I can sit here, 24 hours Bhagavad is going on, so I can sit here. Jamaduta, they are outside of the heaven. Even they cannot come here because Bhagavad is saying, Srimad Bhagavad says, one who listens to Bhagavad Katha or sitting in front of sadhu, Jamadutta will not come. So this is the best place to stay. Then she was sitting, but cannot listen. Sometimes one word, sometimes listen. In this way, maybe 5-6 hours passed. How many hours? 6 hours passed. Then after 6-7 hours, she came out from the heaven. Then Jamadutta become very angry. Hey! We sent you only 24 minutes, and you? How many hours? 7-6 hours. Why? So Maharaj will give heavy punishment. Then Jamadutta brought her again in front of Maharaj. And they are become very angry. Jamadutta was very angry. Because they were staying outside. Understand? Inside heaven very nice. And outside many mosquitoes. They told her, inside the temple good. If you are outside the temple, cold, rain, simple. So in the same way, Jamadutta become very angry. Yes, we are staying outside and we are suffering. Jamadutta told to you only for 24 minutes. Are you spared? 6-7 hours, 7-6 hours. Why? Heavy chastisement. Then they brought in front of Jam Maharaj. They give her heavy punishment. Because she broke this law. Then Jam Maharaj is called among of the 12 Mahajan. Understand? Among of the 12 Mahajan. Sambhu, Narada, Sambhu, Kumara, Kapila, Manu, Prahladu, Janaka, Bhishma, Bali, Vyasiki, Gwayam. Jam Maharaj. Among the 12 Mahajan. So Jam Maharaj came in quiet and asked to her, hey, I sent you heaven for 24 minutes, but you spent there 6 hours, 7 hours. Why? What were you doing there? Then she told, I was sitting in front of sadhu and listened to Bhagavad Katha. And she was very clever. She asked Jam Maharaj, tell to me, one who listens to Bhagavad Katha, what benefit will you get? संत महात्मा के पास बैठ करके भागवत कथा श्रवण करने से, सत्संग करने से क्या फल मिलता है? कोई मिलेगा कुछ? If you sit in front of the sadhu and listen Bhagavad Katha or Hari Katha, what benefit will you get? She asked this question. Tell to me, the one who listens Bhagavad Katha from the Lord's sadhu, what benefit will you get? Then Jam Maharaj, oh my God, I cannot give perfect answer to you. It is better come with me, Brahmaji. Because Brahmaji first, he heard Bhagavad Katha, Chatusloki Bhagavad from Narayana. Because first Bhagavad manifested in the heart of Brahmaji. And Lord Narayan directly told Srimad Bhagavad Katha. That is called the Chatusloki Bhagavatam. 4 slokas. Bhagavad, Chatusloki Bhagavatam. So Brahmaji, maybe he will be give perfect answer. The one who listens to Bhagavad Katha, what benefit will you get? Then Jam Maharaj and she came in the place of Jam Brahma. and asked this question, if anybody to listen Bhagavad Katha in front of sadhu, what benefit would you get? Then Brahmaji told, I cannot give decision. It is better we have to go to Shiva Loka, Lord Shiva. Because Lord Shiva, he is always glorifies Bhagavad Katha, Amar Katha. Bhagavad Katha's one name is called Amar Katha. Amarnath. For this regard, Shivji, one name is called Amarnath. People are going top of the Himalayas, and Srimad Bhagavad Katha Shivji told to Devi Parvati. So it is better we should go Shiva Loka. Maybe Lord Shiva will give the perfect answer. Then she came, Brahmaji, Jab Maharaj, Brahmaji, and Jab Maharaj came in Shiva Loka and asked to him, Shivji, please give the decision. Tell to us, one who listen Bhagavad Katha in front of sadhu, what benefit will he get? Then Shivji told, it is impossible for me to give the answer. Perfect answer only who will give? Lord Vishnu. Because Lord Vishnu is not different from Bhagavatam. 12th canto Srimad Bhagavatam, that is called 12th limbs and body of Lord Vishnu. So it is better we have to go Vishnu Loka, Vaikuntha Loka. Maybe Lord Vishnu will give the perfect answer. But that lady, she is very clever. She is told, listen, from morning to now evening, you brought me Jamalok to Brahmaloka, then Brahmalok to Shiva Loka, then you are saying to go to hell? Vishnu Loka. Oh, very far, I cannot go. I am now time. I can't go. Then Brahmaji, Shivji said, if you do not go, how possible Lord Vishnu will give decision? You have to go. Then she goes, I can't go. That time Lord Shiva and Brahmaji arranged very nice, beautiful palanquin, you know. Palanquin, understand? Very nice, beautiful. Dora. And some demigoddess carried the palanquin and she was laying down. And all the demigoddess, big procession. All they are going to Vishnu Loka. Listen, this Katha, one who listens Bhagavad Katha, one who sits in front of sadhu, what benefit will he get? So they are. And all the demigoddess, they also are going. Brahmaji, Shivji, Durgaji, all, Ganeshji, all they were going to Vishnu Loka. Listen. What is the benefit? One who listens Bhagavad Katha, Bhagavad Maha. Big procession, thousand demigoddess behind her planet. And front, Brahmaji, Shivji, all the prominent persons. And some person also are fanning to her. Very nice. When she is about to come in front of door of Vishnu Darwaja, Vishnu Loka Darwaja, this place of Vishnu Loka, Vaikuntha. That time Lakshmi Devi, she was looking, oh, someone sitting on the very nice, beautiful palanquin, and thousand everybody was over behind her. Who is coming? She asked to Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu told, first bring my garland, remnant of garland. Well, why? Do you know my great devotee is coming? Well, what is this? Yes, the Lord Vishnu himself offered her own garland to her and seated very nice, beautiful asana. Then all devotees seated everywhere. Very nice, beautiful assembly house. Brahmaji, Shivji, Indraji, Kaliji, Durgaji, all devotees in that assembly house. And Lord Vishnu also seated there. Then Jam Maharaj asked, just see, listen, Bhagavad Katha in front of sadhu, what benefit will she get? Then Lord Vishnu told this benefit. But what benefit? She has come in my abode, Vishnu Lok, and all you also are coming behind. That means one who listens to Bhagavad Katha, then he will attain to Vishnu Loka. This is called the glories of Vishnu, Srimad Bhagavatam. Bhagavad Katha Mahat and Sadhu Sangha. So that means you have to listen to Bhagavad Katha from the lotus lips of Sadhu, and then you attain to Vaikuntha. Bolo Srimad Bhagavatam ki jai, Sadhu Sangha ki jai, Jai Sri Ram. Further Jikar or Shastra saying, Khanartha Opi Satsanga Sevadi Nrinam. Atat Akantik Khema Pricham Bhavato Anagha. Khanartha Opi Satsanga Sevadi Nrinam. Khanartha means very tiny time. If we associate sadhu and listen to Bhagavad Katha, Hari Katha, 100% guaranteed, after your death, you will attain Golo Vrindavan. Golo Govinda Bala Hari Gopal. Govinda Bala Hari Gopal. Govinda Bala Hari Gopal. Govinda Bala Hari Gopal. Radha Ramana Hari Giridhari Sanam. Okay, take prasad. Take off wells. You are done wells? Ram. Why you are not going well? Why?